Hello, and welcome to the Harlem Condo Sale Report. I'm broker Joe Davila of Sotheby's International Realty. Today, I will reveal the actual selling price of all Harlem Condo 3-beds, all larger, that sold during the third quarter of 2021. This is from July 1st through September 31st. So whether you're curious about your apartment's current value, or you're considering selling now or in the near future, you're going to want to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, my Harlem Condo Sale Report can be emailed directly to you, where you can see more photos, floor plans, and the detailed descriptions of the apartment. So call, text, or email me, and I'll get that out to you right away. Without further ado, let's look at the Harlem Condo Sale Report for the 3 bedrooms or larger that sold during the third quarter.
Okay, so here we are. We are at the Harlem Condo Sale Report for the third quarter of 2021. Looking at all the 4 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms that have sold. And as I stated earlier, you can receive this report in your email. And the beauty of receiving in your email, and I'll show you in a moment, and this is partly what it looks like. When you get the report, there will be hyperlinks. So for example, let me just get this page very large. All right, so if you see here, anytime you put your cursor over the address, it turns into a hyperlink. If you click on that, it will open up a window where you can see more details of this home. So here's 4 beds, 4 baths, 6 rooms total, 2354 square feet, 73 days on the market, listed in March of the 21st, March of this year, sold in August of this year. The original asking price was 3.450, selling at 3 mil flat, and you can see the photos. Now, I'm not going to go through every report, or every apartment, I should say, but this gives you a sense of when you receive this report in the mail, via email, I should say. Not only will it give you the quick rundown here of days on market, whether it's a doorman, how many baths, how many beds, the approximate square footage, the price per square foot, the total monthlies, meaning the top taxes and common charges, the change in price from the original price. The original price was 3.450, last asking 3 million, and selling at 3 mil. Same for 375 West 123. All the pertinent information is here. So I welcome you to call or email me or text me, and I'll get this report out to you. And once again, you'll be able to see more details on each and every apartment. But before I do that, let's go and have a look at here. Look at this report. Get this to be full page first, and then we'll proceed from there. There we go. Now it looks a lot nicer. So without further ado, let's look at the 4 bedrooms. We had 3 4 bedrooms that sold, and the highest price being at 3 million. Then the next one coming in at 2.650, and then 1.766. The highest price home to sell is at 305 West 112th Street. So that's obviously the most southern tip of Harlem. Then we have here the second highest price, which you could say is Central Harlem. And then also Central Harlem at 1.766 is 254 West 123rd Street. So once again, call, text, email me, and I'll get this out to you. Now, next on this list are the 3 bedrooms. Now let's go back to the report as you would receive it via email should you reach out to me. Now, there are some facts here that I wanted to share with you. Let's get this viewing very large, go full screen mode. Thank you for your patience. Now, there were 26 3-bedroom apartments sold. The highest price being at 3.650. We'll reveal the address in a moment. The median price, so at a 26, you have to take the 13th and 14th price apartment that's sold, which are these two. So that's 1.750 and 1.720. So the median then, if you were to cover the difference between these two, is 1.735, meaning half the apartments sold for above that price of 1.735, and the other half sold below that price of 1.735, giving you a total of 26 apartments that sold during the third quarter of 2021. Now, the low price was 950,000, which you can see here is at 2373 Adam Clayton Powell Boulevard. Now let's go back to the report here and have a look, closer look. All right, so here we go. We have the 3 bedrooms. Oops, sorry. 3 bedrooms. So the first 3 bedroom to sell at the highest price is actually, let's resort this. Give me a moment. We're going to sort this by most expensive. Right now, it's sorted by the number of bedrooms, which is why we're showing the 4 bedrooms first. So here we go. So the highest priced, 145 Central Park North. Now that makes total sense to me. This is right on the park. You can see in the photograph here that it's looking at the park. I'm going to click on this real quickly. I'm not going to go through it totally. You can do that at home once I send you the report. But you can see it overlooks the park, very luxurious, between Lenox and Adam Clayton Powell. Here are the photographs, floor plan. So if you get this sent to your home, sent to your email, you can look at it at your time at home, and you can see more details, floor plan, so forth and so on. And there you have it, the floor plan. Let's click off that, move on. Now the next most expensive apartment to sell was at the same building at 145 CP North, and that sold at 3.250. Then we go to the 4 bedrooms, which we already covered. Then there's another 3 bedroom, 285 West 110th. So there you go. Once again, the highest priced homes are selling very south of Harlem, the most southern tip of Harlem. And then we go to Central Harlem at 2.650 and then 2.550 and so forth and so on. Let's go have a look here. Then we got 375 West 123 selling at 2.3. Then 11 Hancock Place selling at 2.28380. Okay, that's a unique price. And then we have Penthouse 205 at 11 Hancock Place selling at 2.185. Then another at 11 Hancock Place selling at 1.970. That's a new development. So obviously they're going to be at the high end of everything that is sold. Then we have 125 Central Park North, Penthouse 3 selling for 1.875. That's a pretty good price. Let's see here. Does it show the square footage? Let me just take a closer look. Okay, I don't have the square footage listed here. Let me just double check the report. So yes, on my report that I can have emailed to you, I do list the approximate square footage for each apartment. So if you're wanting to compare your apartment square footage with what is actually sold, this is a great way of getting your price per square foot and give you a sense of your current value. Let's come back off of that. Let's head here. So the next one to sell was at 159 West 118th for 1.775. Then we go to Central Harlem at 1.766 at 254 West 123. Then 23 West 116th Street for 1.760. Let's keep it moving. We have 8H was listed twice, so obviously that's a mistake. So we'll just move on. So 310 West 113th Street, apartment 702 for 1.750. Then 375 West 123rd Street for 1.720. the 304 West 115th Street, 1.550. So as you can see clearly, the highest priced homes are the ones that generally sell in the southern tip of Harlem. That's not always going to be the case, but it often is the case. Then we head on over to 2351 Adam Clayton Powell Boulevard for 1.40, penthouse 10. Then we got penthouse 4 at 23, same building. Oops, sorry. Let's move over here. Take a look at that. Penthouse 4, 1.385. Then 2 Mount Morris Park West, 1.325. 40 West 116th Street, 1.270. Then we go to 250 Manhattan Avenue for 1.255, then 301 West 110th Street for 1.180, 250 Manhattan Avenue, 1.150, 163 Nicholas Avenue, 1A for 1.150, 250 Manhattan Avenue, 1.130, 300 West 145th Street for 975. Wow, that's a good price. And then 2373 Adam Clayton Powell for 950. So there you have it. These are the 3 bedrooms to sell. I'll reiterate the point that I can get this to you via email, where you can click on the exact address. Let's do a sample here, 11 Hancock Place, Penthouse 101. Click on that, window opens up. Get the floor plan, get the photos, get more details, the days on market, the original asking price. So it actually sold for more than it was asking. Perhaps there was multiple buyers interested and they bid it up the price. Gives you a sense of the activity that's going on and the amount of interest there is for homes in Harlem, particularly in a new development. So once again, this did very well. Anyhow, I'm broker Joe Davila of Sotheby's International Realty. You can always reach me at joe.davila@sotheby's.realty. We don't have the .com in our email address, so it's .realty, joe.davila@sotheby's.realty. Or you can call or text me at 917-771-3787. This is real quick. If you're thinking of selling, want to discuss the possibilities of working together, want a detailed report that is more catered to and more detailed for your apartment. So let's say, for example, you live in a townhouse and you just want to see what townhouses are doing. I can get that type of report to you where it's narrowly focused towards your home and the type of homes that are out there that just sold that are just like it. Anyway, thank you for logging on, checking out my my report. I look forward to speaking again. Oh, and before I forget, subscribe, turn on the notification. I do these quarterly reports every 3 months. The next one will be available in January. And more importantly, give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. All the best to everyone here in Harlem.